Nongstoiñ College kalayo ban rakhe ka graduation day but kajuh kapor layo ru ban Plie ka building Thymmai jong ka college na ka bynta ka commerce streams but ka hostel ki kynthei. Katei ka graduation day ka college kalayo ban pynkup burom ya baroh ki khynnah ki bala pass house snem H.M.Shangpliang Pule kynthup ru ya ki ngut ki bala wan kam shakmat haki jing Pule kynthup ya ka Ibajanai Lyngdoh ka bala yo ya ka 4th position u Kohphilan Lyngkhoi 6th position in Zoology Department u Pynshaitbor Thongni 10th position in chemistry but ka Pynishisha Wanñiang ka bala poi haka 10th position in political science. Rakkam A.Sangma Myntri ketanat Pule Puthi ka sarkar jilla Meghalaya ulalong kum ukong san ringkat ka jingyadan lang uba H.M.Shangpliang MLA barim ka Mausunram kum usumbut kong san uba Macmillan Byrsat MLA barim ka Nongstoiñ uba Garrett LSN Dykes Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills District bat kiwe ki real paukmat katany.
Position in the chemistry department.
My friends, if you look back at the history of our state, 2 weeks back I was in Zoai to commemorate 184 years of Reverend Thomas Jones, the father of Khasi alphabet. It is not the Meghalayans, it is not the Indians, but it's a missionary from England has to come and bring the blessing to all of us. And because of this reason, we are here this afternoon, my young friends. We have seen the 3 PhD degree holder of our professor from this very college. If I'm not wrong, some of them were very much students of this college. It's so proud to all of us. We have seen many lecturers here this afternoon, many officers, many young friends today. Friends, all this happened. It is because the Almighty doesn't want to isolate us. The institutions, the educator will produce the best economists, the best policy maker, the best sports person, the best businessman, the best politician, the best pastor, the best reverend, the best father, the best human individual that will serve our state, that will take responsibility in taking this state forward. Therefore, let us unite together in the mission of our Honorable Chief Minister to make this state one of the top 10 states in the country in all sectors. Therefore, let us continue to strive to make commitment for this education sector. Therefore, the future, as I always said, the present status of our generation is because our governing members of this college, our leaders of the past, has designed our future for today. The present scientists, the present politicians, the present deputy commissioner, the present officer, the present society leaders, the present faculty members, the present leaders of this today. We should design our policy. We should design our concept to make better Meghalaya tomorrow. In my village, we have a secondary school. So what happened is, there's always politics in our secondary school. So many of times there was a different MLAs, one in different time. When that time is HPU. When the MLA become from HPU, all the governing members, secretary, president should be from that particularly. When the Congress government come in, they change the committee members completely. And what happens? During a time, what happens is, when the December comes, Because the teachers from outside, from Assam, when the December months come, they terminate the teachers. When they come back, teacher doesn't know whether I'm still in the service or not. They employ the new teacher because December no academic session, January, February, 3 months salary this committee member used to take away. Then during next election, they again change the committee member. It keeps happening. But when the embossed result come out, the percentage is 0. Next is again 0. There is 0. Always 0. So it is very sad. That's not institutions should not be involved in the politics. I always say that institutions, let us keep away from the politics. Institutions is to design the humanity, is to design the future of our state. Friends, the future of our state and the future of Meghalayans will not be dependent on politicians, on any leaders of today. The future of our state, the future of our institutions, the future of our country will be depend on the performance and the quality of our educational institutions.